Hey guys! So, it's been a little bit since I filmed anything. That's mostly because I was kind of on vacation. I was on like a mini vacation and I just needed to like relax and chill because things at work for me are about to get really crazy. So I just needed like a minute to like breathe, and I did like go somewhere. It was only for a couple of days, but it's better than nothing. But I also think I'm a little bit sick, so if I sound weird, that's one thing. Also, my boyfriend is still sleeping, so I have to be like a little bit quiet. But I did want to jump on here and show you guys what I bought in July. First of all, I can't even believe July's over, but like, that's not what this video is about. So if you want to see what I picked up in July, just keep on watching. Once again, this month, most everything is from the drugstore, just because I've been like putting my money into other things that are more important, even though I love me some new makeup, but like other things are more important. I'm so sorry to say, but that's kind of where I've been like putting my energy. So I was gonna break this up into like drugstore and like high end, but like, bitch, you hardly bought anything high end. So let's start with something boring. Not boring, I love it, but it's not like edge of your seat, like kind of good. So Kat Von D Signature Brow in walnut, I believe. Maybe not walnut. Walnut. This is a repurchase. I love this. This is like the most natural brow I've probably ever had, like filled in wise. I just think it looks so fantastic. So I went through one of these. I think it took me about 2 months, which I don't think is too bad. So I bought another one of these guys and I seriously love it. In that same trip to Sephora, I also picked up one of the Bite French press lip glosses. I picked up flat white because I thought it was gonna be my jam. I thought it was gonna be my color. I kind of feel like it makes me look kind of sickly. Like just doing that, like that looks pretty. But I wasn't looking for a gloss to only stick in the middle of my mouth. Like I wanted something that I could also wear like by itself. And if I wear this by itself, like today I'm wearing like a pinky toned lipstick from MAC, but like I wanted this as like an all over color. Like I wanted it to be something that I could wear like every day. And for $26, I don't know how impressed I am. The formula's good. I like the formula better than I've probably liked any other like liquid, not specifically liquid lipsticks, but like anything that's a lipstick and like liquidy slash lip glosses. So like this is really pretty, but I just don't know if it's suiting like the need that I had for it. So I'm not like 100% sold on this guy because it is like $30. I think the last thing that I actually bought from Sephora was this Too Faced Moisture Matte from, I was gonna say from Too Faced again. Oh girl, from Too Faced. I did get mine in Sunday Funday, and I did get it when it was on the weekly wow. And I wish I had bought more. I literally love this lipstick. The scent, I kind of like. I'm not mad at it. It's a different scent. Like it's kind of peachy, but like 20% peachy, and the rest is like, I don't know, just like kind of fake smelling. But I literally love the formula, and I think they were on for like $12.50 or $13, and they are so worth that price. It's like it's gone now. It's off. But I wish I had bought more because it's a really good lipstick. I also did pick up from Laura Mercier a face illuminator. This one is in Indiscretion. I didn't buy this from Sephora. I bought it off someone in one of my beauty groups, but she had it like still in the box. It still had packaging, and then she like added one of these guys to like keep everything just like perfect. I mean, it's untouched, it's flawless, it's beautiful. So this guy is really pretty. I got it for a way better price than just buying it from Sephora, because I think on Canadian Sephora it's $55, which is like, that's steep, honey, for like one color. I mean, you get quite a bit of product, but it's steep. That's pretty though, huh? Pretty. And the last thing that I got is actually just with my points. This is the Tarte Maracuja oil. I got this as a 100-point perk. I've only tried it like once. I don't really have any thoughts on it yet. The only face oil that I've used like kind of religiously in like a routine is from Josie Maran. I don't know, whichever one. Tomato. and I really like it, but it's quite expensive. Like when you're getting into like the bigger bottles, it's expensive. And then kind of like as like my last high-end product, I think, I did also buy this guy off one of my beauty groups, and this again was brand new. You can like tell who in the groups is like people that just buy makeup and then like resell it. Like a lot of people buy the stuff that like in Canada we would get charged like really crazy like duties and shipping, and they like resell that so that you don't have to like go through the process of doing that if you don't feel comfortable with it. So anyways, this is from when Kylie and Kim did the collab for Kylie Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Kimberly. I really like this, and I really like the shade, and I really like the formula, but it does not stay for like anything. Even if you're just like talking, it goes away. Like it's the craziest thing. My motorcycle neighbor. Anywho, so I think I paid $23 for this. I love the packaging. I'm not super crazy about the product just simply because it like, it's not like it ever stated that it lasts, but like, girl, it does not last for anything, literally. Like I wore it at work, and I think within an hour, it was like, the color was just gone. Like it was just like, I had never even had it on. And I was like, okay, all right. I believe it's drugstore time, bitch. So let's start with the foundation. I got this one on sale. It's the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir. I got mine in 610, which now is probably too light for me because I've been getting in the sun, bitch. Loving it. Anywho, I've worn this quite a few times, probably like 6 to 10 times, and I love it. I think this is a great foundation. It's not super full coverage, but it like provides you with like enough to even everything out. And most importantly, it's lightweight because it's too damn hot for like, I mean, I love a full coverage bitch, but like I can barely wear full coverage makeup on my actual face anyways, just because my nose sweats. It's like a whole thing. I can't. We all know the struggle if you've been around here for a while. So something like this I can really appreciate, and I kind of like need for my skin in particular. So love this, highly recommend. And on the kind of skin train, since I have been getting darker because it's summer and tanning and whatever, I picked up a Fit Me concealer, which I've actually never owned before. These were on sale for like $5.99. They go on sale all the time. I actually picked up one of the Fit Me powders as well. We'll get to that in a second. But I picked up this one in 20 Sand, and right now this is like the perfect color for me. I'm not a huge fan of the applicator. It's so little. I feel like I have to like dip in like 3 times to like do my little lines under my eyes, but not a huge deal. It's cheap, and the formula like works really well. You can even like blend it out with your finger, and it just looks really nice. And then I also, like I said, picked up a Fit Me powder. This one is in 125 because again, I'm trying to like go a little darker with everything because my skin tone is getting darker right now. I don't love the bulky packaging because I like to bring something like this with me on the go, but again, this was $5.99 and like the powder works. So we're not gonna make too many complaints about it, but if I could change one thing, it would be the packaging. That's all. And I also picked up a Wet n Wild bronzer. This is from their like, I assume their like summer collection. It says limited edition right at the bottom there. And this is in You're Dragging Me Down. I've literally used this once this morning, and I used it over top of my Physicians formula, so I don't really have like anything to say about it. The color looks beautiful though, so we hope it works well for us. Also from that same collection, or at least it was in like the same section, and like they were on the same like little like display, I guess, is a Liquid Katsu metallic lipstick. And I thought this was going to be so much cooler than it actually is. And I hate to say that because like I love the packaging. I like the idea of the color. I know it just probably looks like black to like you guys on camera. It's kind of like a gray beige metallic, and I was like, oh my god, like that's the jam right there. Like that's so cool. On the lips, no, just no all around. This is in Shall We Slay. I mean, I'm sure that it's someone's jam. I wanted it to be mine. It's just not. that's okay. So recently I saw that NYX put out the Slip Tease lip glosses. I did see them on Instagram and I was kind of waiting for them to like come out, and I was like, ooh, this is exciting. So when I first went in store and saw them, they didn't have any like nude colors kind of like this. So the most nude kind of color that they had was Motel Dreams, and I bought this and I love this color. It's like a little bit more berry than it kind of looks in the actual tube, but excuse me, I'm not mad at it. It's beautiful. $10.99. Formula is really good, so I decided to buy another one. Kind of hoping that this would be kind of like a dupe for the Flat White because I bought this first. It's not. This is very, very light. This one is in Chic Appeal, and it looks like it would be really pretty, but it is just, it's just too light. Like this is, I mean, why don't we just layer upon layer? This is incredibly pigmented. Like it might look like it's just glossy. It's not. It's like super pigmented, which is good if you're wearing kind of like by itself. But if I wore this by itself, I would look crazy. So I can't really do that. So like something like this that I'm not gonna return, and I'm not even sure I'm gonna return that. It's just like kind of in the top of my mind. I haven't like decided yet. But like this guy, I can't return, or I can, but I'm not going to. So like this, I will use in the middle of my lips and like lighten everything up. But like with a $30 lip gloss, I'm just like, because there was like two other kind of like nudie colors that were a bit darker, but everyone that I seen with that one on, I just loved. I thought it looked so beautiful. But they also might be lighter skin tones than me, but like my skin isn't like that dark. I don't know. Help me out. If you have some like suggestion, or if you have the literal product and you have like some way that's working for you, let me know down here. So then I picked up two things from Essence. They like, it seems like all of their little like end caps they've redone, so there's a couple of new things. So they had a new, or at least new to me, I hadn't seen before, lip liner, and I love their lip liners. They're so nice. They're just like creamy, they work really well, and they're super cheap. Like this was like $2 something, maybe like $2.49. And I got this one in Lost in Love. It says lip contouring, no, soft contouring lip liner, Lost in Love. Cool, okay. Just like a nudie pink color. We love that. And then for my mascara today, which I kind of like went to the side with, so you probably can't even tell that I even have eyelashes. But I do like this one. I actually do like this one. It's kind of like a little comb, which is cool. We're a fan. This one is the Essence Super Curl Volume Mascara, and they have really great mascaras. This is probably one of my top 3 favorites from them. This one works quite well. I'm gonna work through the other new ones as well though, because I saw that Tati liked this like really new big fat purple one. So gotta try that out. Even though I didn't love the other purple one that she really likes, we still gotta try it out. It's like $5. We wanna try out the things that Tati loves because I love Tati. Okay, I trust her. I trust her. And last but very not least, I also picked up another nude lip gloss, because what is my life without nude lip gloss? Okay, this is the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. Fortune Cookie, it looks like this. I actually picked this up because I think that they're also redoing the NYX gondolas, or the NYX end caps, or whatever, at all of my local drugstores. So this was on sale for like $4.99, and I have other butter glosses and I really like them. This one is a sticky nightmare and I actually hate it. Like so much so that I just want to throw it out. I can't stand sticky lip glosses, and I didn't think that this one would be sticky because I have another one. I think I have another 2 actually. So anyways, I didn't like it. Alright guys, so that sums up this video. I hope that you enjoyed all the crap that I bought in July. It's not crap, I love it dearly. Well, most of it. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you liked it by giving it a like. Leave me a comment down below what you bought this month, what I should buy for next month, what you're interested in, all of the above. Also subscribe, because literally I think my next video that I'm putting out is my giveaway. Spoiler alert. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.